As a cosmetic gynecologist, I often encounter the situations where young women come with laxity of vagina. Does this happen often? Is this true? Let's find out. Yes, sometimes in certain situations, young women do come with vaginal laxity. What is the vaginal laxity that they perceive? They often have symptoms of a lack of tone in the vagina, having an uncomfortable intercourse, or an inability to hold urine because of the vaginal laxity. When does this happen? Yes, the foremost cause could be because of a genetic makeup of the individual, where the pelvic musculature is very loose, and this, along with the vaginal structures, the supports, makes it appear as a lax vagina. Secondarily, vaginal laxity can appear as a temporary phenomenon when there is childbirth. That is, immediately after childbirth, women often encounter a loose vaginal walls and laxity, and therefore the intercourse is very uncomfortable, and sometimes there is urinary dribbling or urinary leakage. This could be temporary, and as the muscles gain their tone, either with exercise, either with the Kegels exercises or the toning, this can come down a little bit better. If this doesn't happen, then women, even in the young age, have to seek medical help. Sometimes there could be excessive exercises done by a young woman in the form of sports and excessive stretching that can happen during subdrama, and this can also lead to a lax vagina. There are other genetic laxity syndromes that can affect the vaginal musculature and the vaginal connective tissue also, and in these conditions also the woman has a lax vagina irrespective of her age. Thirdly, there are women who have premature ovarian failures, so there is an onset of menopause early in life, and these women also complain of a lax vaginal walls and vaginal loss of vaginal tone. Other causes could be birth of a large baby, which can cause trauma to the vaginal muscles and the vaginal walls, and this can also lead to a vaginal laxity. So the cause for the vaginal laxity when a young woman is presenting with such symptoms have to be evaluated, and the right treatment has to be adopted for them.